Good evening, everybody. Dear brother and sister, this is my workplace. Our workplace name is India Tursha Mohila College. Our workplace ACG program admission going now. So, now running time, present our college acting principal, admission committee member, and office. Our college result is very good. Our college established 1987. That time from to till now, HEC program Science, Arts and Commerce. Our college result is very good. Our college teacher is very gentleman. Now our college acting principal Sultan Mahmud sir and running chairman Odhyaksha Selim Bhuiya sir. So I personally request all guardian every day, anytime visitor this college campus, office, auditorium and playground field and admitted your children. Thank you very much. India Tursha Mohila College is very good. India Tursha Mohila College is ideal college in capital city Gulshan and Banani. Thank you very much.